Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got should be some gloves in here. So let's open this up and see how these are. These are by rivmount, R-I-V-mount. And I got size medium. So we'll see how good medium fits on my size hands. Oh, I guess I have to pull these on both sides. Interesting way to open this all up. Open. You have to keep pulling all these little tabs that say open. I guess it makes it easy to get the tape off, but it is gloves. Let's see. Okay, and this is what they look like. Ta-da! Ooh, these are soft. Okay, so it's got the soft leather kind of feel on the outside of it, and then on the inside, it's like, the very soft, furry kind of thing. And it is, let's see, size medium, polyester. Shell is polyester and the inside is polyester. Everything's polyester. It's like 3 levels of polyester. And let's see if I put my hands in there. I got the right size. So I have a medium for me and my fingers go pretty much to the end and I can still put my hands in there. So if you have hands that look like these, medium. And let's see what else we got going on here. We have, so if I pull this, I have all these bracelets on, but I can put it over my bracelets and then pull the little tabs here. Look at that. It's got a little tooth tab puller. And then it's got the clip here so I can clip the 2 gloves together so I don't lose them. So that's kind of cool to have that as well. And let's put on the other glove just for fun here. And now I am gloved up. So that is cool. I like it. And I like the way it has those little pull tabs. And I like the way it has these rubber things. Because I would this is totally how I do it. Oh, you can just put one side in and the other. Or I'm a toother. So there we go. I can just pull it like that and do it. Very cool. Nice gloves, man. These are nice. I already feel warm inside of these. And they're just soft and they're not overly cumbersome or anything. These are going to be great. This winter, I am going to be using these probably daily. So these are awesome. Really soft. And these are by rivmount. So if you need some gloves, get rivmount because these are cool. And they look good. They seem like they got the waterproof shell and everything. They're great. So really good and nice and soft. And they're warm. My hands are already warm. So very good. Thumbs up for sure. Let's see if I can even stop my video with it. Nope. They're not video friendly.